Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 1950s vintage FLASTAFF ad depicting some guys out having a great fishing trip like the guys here. Although they go out and I ask them what they catch, and last time it was 0. This time they were thinking they were doing better because there was freshly stocked, and they came home, and of course Jaime is the only one that caught anything. So if you're looking for vintage advertising into FLASTAFF or just want a cool hunting fishing picture, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.